Hi everyone and welcome back. So today we're gonna read Good Enough to Eat, A Kid's Guide to Food and Nutrition by Lizzy Rockwell. So let's get started. So we have bread, cereal, rice, pasta, vegetables, and fruits. Babies cry when they're hungry. Dogs bark and howl. When you feel hungry, your stomach grumbles. Your legs feel weak. You don't cry or howl, but sometimes you feel cranky. In the nick of time, your dinner is ready. It looks good, smells good, it tastes good. As soon as you eat, you feel better. Hunger sends you strong signals. It lets you know that eating is the most important thing you do each day. The food you eat and drink keeps you alive. It builds, protects, and energizes your body. Food makes you able to grow, think, breathe, move, stay cool, stay warm, fight germs, heal, and live. Nutrients are the parts of food that your body uses to do its work. There are 6 different kinds of nutrients. You need large amount of some nutrients and very small amount of others in your diet. You need about this much of each nutrients a day. You need 300 grams of carbohydrates, supply main source of energy. Nutrients is the science of food. You need 30 grams of protein, which supplies energy and builds muscles, skin, and internal organs. Science doesn't look as yummy as dinner. You need 60 grams of fat, which supplies energy and adds flavor to food. A glass of soda only has water and carbohydrates. You need about 2 liters. So water is the main ingredient in your body. It cleans and cools you. A glass of milk has water, carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals. So there are 13 different vitamins. You need 1 gram. And there are 20 different minerals. And you need 8 grams. Vitamins and minerals make nutrients work together. Everything your body needs to do is helped by vitamins or minerals. Every food contains at least one nutrient, but healthy foods have lots of them. Your body uses different nutrients in different ways. Digestion is the way food is broken down so that the nutrition can be absorbed into your body. For healthy digestion, you should eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods supply fiber. Fiber does not get absorbed during digestion. It helps carry bad chemicals and excess fat out of your body. When you digest food, mouth grinds food and mixes it with saliva. Esophagus pushes food down to your stomach. Stomach churns food and mixes it with acids, turns food into a thick liquid. Small intestines absorbs nutrients through its spongy lining. Nutrients enter the bloodstream. Large intestines absorbs water and leads unused parts of food out of your body when you go to the toilet. As soon as food is digested, nutrients starts to work. Carbohydrates, protein, and fat get turned into energy. The amount of energy they supply is measured in calories. You use a lot of energy to run and play. You also use energy to stay warm, pump blood, breathe, think, heal, and grow. Carbohydrates should supply most of the energy your body uses. You can detect carbohydrates in your food just by taste. Food that tastes starchy or sweet contain carbohydrates. Starchy foods give long-lasting energy. If you ate candy for breakfast, soon you would feel tired and hungry. A breakfast of whole grain cereal would keep you going till lunch. This one is definitely sweet. Sweet foods give quick boost of energy. The energy from very sweet food is used up very quickly. So that's why you have to have a good, healthy breakfast. Protein supplies energy. It also builds and repairs your muscles, skin, brain, blood, bones, and internal organs. You get protein when you eat animal foods such as fish, meat, eggs, milk, and cheese. You also get proteins from plants. The parts of a plant that you can sprout and grow, such as seed, dry beans, and peas, nuts, and grains, are good sources of protein. Protein makes me strong. You have navy beans, and proteins makes me grow. Just as an old-fashioned lantern burns oil, you burn fat for heat and energy. Fat also helps make food taste good, but it is easy to eat too much fat. Fat has more calories than the other parts of food. If you eat more calories than you need, the unused calories are turned into body fat. Eating too much fatty foods can make you heavy. Fat is in vegetable oil, butter, and cream. You can also see fat in the white and yellow parts of uncooked meat and chicken. Often, you cannot see the fat you're eating. To find out where the fat is hiding, get a large piece of paper, a pencil, and samples of foods. Rub a bit of each food onto the paper, label the spot as you go, let the spot dry overnight, hold your paper up to the light. Light will glow through the spots made by foods containing fat. If there were no water in my body, I could fit in this little bucket. It's a scratcher. I don't think you would want that. Water is needed by all living things. You don't need to worry about having too much water in your diet. Water is your body's main ingredient. 70% of your body, including your blood, saliva, tears, urine, and sweat, is made with water. A marathon runner can lose 4 quarts of water in one race. Didn't I just change you? In addition to water in juice, milk, and food, I should drink at least 5 glasses of plain water each day. Water escapes easily from your body. In a day, you lose 2 cups of water just by breathing. When you cry, go to the bathroom, and sweat, you lose even more water. But as it leaves your body, water carries out waste and cools you. Vitamins and minerals are needed in tiny amounts to perform many important jobs in your body. They help all nutrients and food work together. Vitamin C helps my skin to heal. Vitamin C is found in all of these. With the help of vitamin A, I can see well, even in the dark. Vitamin A is found in all of these. Vitamins are found only in plants and animals. B vitamins help me fight germs and infections. B vitamins turn protein, fat, and carbohydrates into energy. B vitamins also keep my brain and nerves working well. They help me feel happy. B vitamin complex are found in all of these. Minerals are tiny particles of rock and metal. Calcium helps build and repair my skeleton and teeth. Calcium is found in all of these. Iron helps build red blood cells, which brings oxygen to my brain, heart, and muscles. You find iron in all of these. The best way to get all the vitamins and minerals you need is to eat a variety of fresh foods, including plenty of fruits and vegetables. Sodium and potassium work together to control my body's water balance. But be careful, it is easy to eat too much sodium. It's hard to eat too much potassium. Sodium is found in salt and all of these, and potassium is at banana, potatoes, and all the rest. It's important to eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. Today, what will you choose? Food keeps you alive, healthy, and strong. It gives you energy and makes you grow. Food is fun to make. And food is fun to eat. And here you have some recipes. If you want to use them, you can always save them and try to make them with your family. So the last page is more about calories. Calories measure the amount of energy supplied by food. A teaspoon of fat has twice as many calories as a teaspoon of protein of carbohydrates. Vitamins and minerals, water and fiber supply no calories. Every day you should eat about as many calories as you use. This is easy if you avoid eating foods with a lot of fat or sugar and get plenty of exercise. To get 200 calories, you could eat one of these servings: 12 steamed shrimp, 2 pastes of butter, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 12 ounces of orange juice, 35 pieces of celery, 3 slices of bread, 3/4 of donut, 1 bowl of cereal with milk, a piece of fudge. To burn 200 calories, you could run for half an hour, walk 1 hour, or sit perfectly still for 4 hours. This is getting boring. And that's the end of the book. I hope you loved it. And remember, read it one more time by clicking this video one more time.